Hey, queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So we're on to another marathon, but this time we are using the color black. So if you guys want to see more marathons like this, please continue to watch. All right, queens and kings, welcome back, welcome back. So the first part of this marathon, we're actually going to start in the master bedroom. As you all can see, just doing some tighten up. Girl, no, I'm not. I'm lying. This bedroom is a mess, a mess. You see all that over there? And it just really needed to do some cleaning up in here. Like a tornado came through here and it just tore up everything. So, but anyways, we're gonna get the room all together. Like I said, we're gonna do some cleaning. We're gonna do some little like decorating to it as well, because you guys totally into the decorating phase that I'll be doing. So if this is something that you are into and you liking this marathon that I have pretty much going on with, is a colorful marathon. And what I mean by that, each video that I do of a marathon will have just one color that I pretty much focus on. And in this video here is pretty much focused on black. The one we did before was all brown, chocolate, melanin. Baby, is popping, period. But we over here where we have our black is beautiful. So yes, a little more modern glam going on. But if, like I say, if you're into videos like that, or you're into this marathon that I want to create on my channel, why don't you, queens and kings, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. All queens and kings, please turn on your post notification bell. Help me get to 10,000, because honey, we just shot from it. So if you guys do that part there, trust me, we'll get there. But you guys know I truly appreciate you guys for doing your part. But also, please comment down below and share the video as well, so others can be able to know that we are over here popping and living, baby. So this video is going to slow down. Some of the video is in a speed. I had it in fast lap, not knowing I was ready to clean and decorate. That's all I was just focused. But yes, it eventually slowed down though. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you all do, you know what to do. All right, queens and kings, so we done made it to the decoration portion, and I do apologize once again for the time lapse on the video. But we're moving on into decorating now, so therefore we're going with our theme color, which is black, like I said, and we're pretty much going with a modern glam in the bedroom. I really do love the way how the bedroom turned out in this video here. Like, this here actually gave me some inspiration to do another room like this. So you guys make sure you subscribe and come back, so therefore you can actually see what room that's gonna be that I'm gonna reveal. But anyways, yes, now these pillows here, pillow covers, I actually got these from Shein. Yes, you heard me, Shein. I got those from Shein. Now the all black one is from Amazon, but these little small geometric shape looking ones, those are from Shein. So shop your Shein, because they do have some nice good home decor on there. Wait, did you guys notice anything different? Guess who is actually getting her voice back? Yes, honey, yes. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I am 95%, not 100, but 95%. But baby, I'm better than where I was before, because honey, y'all couldn't hear none of this. I couldn't even yell. I couldn't talk too long. I couldn't do none of that. But God is good. God is good. So we're gonna move on, finishing up the bedroom. We're gonna go ahead and start styling this little area here, the little ottoman thing. I actually got that from Dee Dee's. Yeah, I got that from Dee Dee's. Yes, I sure did. But after that, we're gonna go ahead and start vacuuming the floor, and that's gonna pretty much be it. We're gonna move on to the next phase of this marathon. All right, Queens and Kings. So here is the final look of the bedroom. I am loving this modern glam look that I have going on. It's so chic. I mean, I love it. I really think I want to keep the bedroom looking like this or do something else like this. But like I said, I'm actually going to do another part of the house like this. But you got to subscribe and turn your post notification bell so therefore you don't miss out. But I'm loving all the little vignettes that I have going on. Yes, them cards that will be hidden and everything like that. But don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Just get into the decor. Just get into the decor. But anyways, Queens and Kings, like I said, that is the look for the bedroom. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this portion of the video. If you all did, you know what to do, Queens and Kings. So, royalties. Let's move on to the next phase of this marathon. Okay, so in that phase is actually cleaning the bathroom. Now, this is pretty much the reflection of the bedroom, the modern glam look. You know, this look here was just popping, huh? This is the best bathroom look I have done in all my times here on YouTube because I actually went out of my comfort zone and I did something big and bold, and that's pretty much the decor, the statement piece that you see there on the wall with the little geometric shapes. For a minute I couldn't get that out of there, but anyways, like as usual, I'm gonna remove everything out of the shower, the tub combination, and I'm gonna spray it down with some bleach or whatever the case may be. I'm not even sure exactly what I'm using, y'all. Some bleach. I'm using some type of powder stuff, Carmen something, Ajax one on. Yes, that's what I'm using. So of course, let that sit before I go in and I start scrubbing dub, because honey, when I get in the bathroom, I cleans. I cleans, honey, to the point that I be want to stand up in the bathroom, but I be so in the tub, but I be too afraid that I'm gonna slip and fall. So I do apologize for my little cheeks and stuff hanging all out and stuff being in your face. I try to remember, that's why I squat down just then. But yeah, so we're gonna do some deep cleaning in this tub here. I'm gonna try to get it clean as best as possible. Remember, I live in an apartment, so that means others have lived in here before me. So I do what I can to make it do what it needs to do for my family and I. Now I could not wait to change the shower head in this shower because honey, this here what I be doing to rinse the shower out. It don't be getting everything. So I have to go back with a cloth or something, see like I'm doing now, and just pretty much wet it and just wipe it down so I get rid of some of those soap scum. Cause I hate using the cup and splashing the water everywhere because water get everywhere. Like, yeah. So I can't wait to actually change the shower head. So therefore I won't have to do this here no more. Okay. All right, so now that everything is back in the shower, it's clean and everything, we're moving on to the sink, of course. This is pretty much how I usually do the bathroom, from the tub, work my way to the sink, and then I do the toilet last. Now, when it comes down to the toilet, I usually don't do the toilet on camera, but I'm just give you guys a little glimpse because I think it's so disgusting cleaning the toilet on camera. Everybody know what's the toilet's for. I just don't like to see it. You get what I'm saying? Because sometimes it just be too disgusting. Like, baby, you could have did a pre-clean before you put that on camera. Like, good God. But anyways, yeah, so with that's pretty much what I'm going to do is take everything off the counter, and then I'm going to do the same little pretty much method, spray it and Carmen and stuff like that, and clean the sink real good. And then we're going to go into decorating the sink. And then we're going to move on to the toilet as well as the floors and everything. You guys know. You guys know. You get it. You get it. Now, if anyone have any questions about the shelf here in between the sink and the tub, it actually is an IKEA lac shelf. You know, these shelves are very famous on YouTube. Like, you became popular if you had one of them. Like, you was one of the popular, you was one of the popular YouTubers. But I got this idea from, it was another YouTuber. Oh my God, Wayne's World, I think that's her name. I seen her did it in her bathroom, a smaller bathroom, which her bathroom was a little smaller than mine, but I like the idea because it gives you that vertical space, storage space or whatever, in a nice designer look. So yeah. Okay, so here kind of best part for me is actually decorate. But honestly, I'm not gonna decorate because I can't make up my mind what I want to do. Because at this point, here this little picks or whatever started falling apart, breaking. So I'm gonna actually go try to find something else to go in the place of it. But After a while, I'm be like, no, that's not gonna work. So now I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit more off camera. You guys know how I do, and you guys will get the full look how everything comes together. So we're gonna leave that alone, and honey, we're gonna move on to the toilet after this, because you see that didn't work and the plant didn't come out of there. I got that plant from Family Dollars. I actually like those. Those are actually pretty nice. So, but yeah, so I went with that style, and we're just gonna move on to the toilet. Honey, that floor was filthy. Yes, it was. But anyways, here's the reveal of the bathroom, how everything turned out. As you all can see, I made a little bit more extra changes on the countertop. But I love this statement piece in this bathroom. Like I said, this is one of the best bathrooms I have designed in my whole entire life. I say, since I've been on YouTube or so. But I love the way how everything came out. I love my faux vanity. I love the lights that's up under it. I love the rugs. The rugs are from Amazon, as well as the curtains. Everything is pretty much affordable in this bathroom, and I just love the way everything turned out. Even with my little walk-in closet, honey, which you can see the little rug and everything. And you got to put a little, you got to do the status. You have to do the status. The little nook of the area for the toilet, this came out. Those are DIY signs that I have on the back of the toilet there. I really love those. Those are all Dollar Tree items. All Dollar Tree items. So yeah, Queens and Kings, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this marathon of this blackness, honey, because black is beautiful, and we got a modern glam look going on. So with that being said, you Queens and Kings continue to be royal. Bye bye.